Welcome to the Luxury Adventure Traveler, where you can save thousands of dollars on all your travel needs, whether for personal pleasure, business, and even group travel. A culinary taster's experience. Envision a vacation dedicated to culinary delights, where you can take cooking classes, visit local markets, and enjoy gourmet meals. Savor the flavors of a new cuisine and enhance your culinary skills. A culinary vacation is a treat for your taste buds and your cooking skills. Visit our secure website today at luxuryadventure.globaltravel.com, where you can save time and money planning your next amazing vacation.